Hi, I'm Dani, and I'm going to walk you through how to use the Wegovy 7.2mg pen. If you've been on Wegovy at a lower dose before, you'll notice this pen looks and feels a bit different, and that's a good thing. With this one, there's no needle to attach, no priming step, and no dose to dial. Let me show you how it works. Before you do anything, do a quick sense check of the pen. Look through the window. The liquid should be clear and colourless. Tiny air bubbles are completely normal and won't affect your dose, so don't worry about those. Check the expiry date on the back, and if the pen looks damaged, don't inject, just message us. One small tip, take the pen out of the fridge a few minutes before you're ready. It works fine cold, but room temperature is a bit kinder on the skin. You've got 3 options for where to inject. The front of your upper thigh, your lower stomach, at least 2 inches away from your belly button, or your upper arm if someone else is helping you. Pick a spot that's free from bruising, redness, or scarring. You can use the same area each week, just move it at least 5 centimeters away each time, so you're not going back to exactly the same patch of skin. Pull the pen cap straight off. Don't twist it, just pull. Then place the pen flat against your skin and press it down firmly. Keep that pressure on. You'll hear 2 clicks. The first tells you the injection has started, and the second tells you it's still going in. Watch the yellow bar in the pen window as it will start moving down. Don't lift the pen until that bar has completely stopped. The whole thing takes around 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're done. Once the bar stops, lift the pen slowly and straight up. Then the pen goes straight into your sharp spin. A small drop of blood is completely normal. You can press it lightly with a clean tissue or use a plaster. If you see medicine on your skin, or a noticeable squirt during the injection, then it's likely the needle wasn't in deep enough, and it's possible you didn't get the full dose. Don't inject again. The next time you inject, make sure to keep applying pressure until the yellow bar has completely stopped moving. Do not stop when you hear the second click. Once the injection is finished, lift the pen slowly from your skin. Contact us through the app if anything feels off, like if the yellow bar didn't move, you're not sure about your dose, you've missed one, or your pen looks damaged, or a side effect isn't settling. We'd much rather hear from you than not. Your first injection can feel like a lot, but it should start to become more familiar over time. We're here through all of them, so message us whenever you need to. This video doesn't replace your patient information leaflet, so please read it before you inject. Thanks for watching. See you next time.